If you've been running a business for a while, you have probably realized something. The skills that help you start a business aren't always the ones that help it grow. I am Olatunji Besong, and for years, I have worked with business owners to help them understand their finances, strengthen their business, and make better decisions. And one thing I have learned is this: as your business grows, every decision carries a little more weight. Can I afford to hire? Is my pricing actually working? Why does cash always seem tight? Is the business really growing? The challenge is that most business owners were never taught how to answer those questions with confidence. And that's why I'm partnering with AltSchool Africa on August 22 to deliver a one-day business management program workshop focused on every part of every business that influences every other part: finance. We will spend the day walking through real business situations, understanding what your numbers are really telling you, and building the confidence to make better financial decisions. The goal is simple: to help you understand your business more clearly, so every important decision becomes easier to make. We are selecting 50 business owners for this experience, and every selected participant will attend through sponsored access. So, if your business has reached the point where better decisions matter more than simply working harder, I would encourage you to apply. See you there.